I, Jivin Vishnu Samoda, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Practical session, Qualitative Analysis of Organic Compounds. The qualitative and identification of unknown organic compound consists a very important aspect of experimental inorganic chemistry. So there is the no defined set procedures that can be generally applied to the organic qualitative analysis. Various books have different approach. So but a synthesized approach based on the schemes gives below will give the good results. So practicals are before outlining the general schemes. 1 or 2 points of the practical importance should be noted. So the qualities of the substance for test. For more test about 0.1 gram solid or 0.1 to 0.2 milliliters, 2 to 3 drop of liquid materials, not more, should be used. And the results likely to be the met within the organic analysis are on the reagents cells. Students are avoided of the development general knowledge of the physical characteristics of the common organic compounds. That is example of NaOH, KOH. So if it is doubted about the expected results of a test between the certain compounds and the reagents, so the carried out the trial test which is known as the compound and compare with the unknown solutions. Students, the quantities of the substance derivatives. So students have wasted much time since the material is the fast by taking so large a quantity of the substance for the preparation of the derivatives. In general, 0.5 to 1 grams या 0.5 to 1 milliliters of the substance give the most satisfactory results. If a practical box industry one use large quantities of 3 to more grams, and quantity should be scaled down 1 gram to 1 milliliters of the unknown substance are corresponding to quantity of reagent should be used. The general quality analysis tests are preliminary tests. So preliminary tests are the physical characteristics, the solid, liquid, color and odors compounds are used. It is a perform and ignition test. Heat small amounts of the metals spatula to determine the whether the compound is aliphatic and aromatic, that is luminous flame aliphatic, salty flames aromatic compounds. So physical characteristics are determined the boiling point and melting point. The distillation is recommended. It is in the cases of the liquid and same approximates 3. Due to the purpose of the determining the boiling points as well as purification of the liquid for the substance test. So the analysis of element present at the C10 levels, the element present will be told to you, but read up the methods. The solubility of test. The solubility of the unknown in the following reagents provide very useful information. In general, about 3 milliliters of the solvent is used with 0.1 gram or 0.2 gram milliliters, and the 2 to 3 drops of the substance is class of the compounds may be indicated the following tables. So solubility of the tables are reagent and test, class and groups of compounds. Soluble in odor or heat of water. In the unknown insoluble, do not perform solubility test below. So the nature acidic or basic test with a litmus or universal indicator paper. So the lower members of the series natural, that is the examples of alcohol, acetic acid, phenols, basic and amines. So soluble in dilute HCl in basic compounds. So the most amines except third amines with the only organic groups. Soluble in dial NaOH, acetic acid, most acid, most phenols. Okay, students. So soluble in NaCO3, strongly acidic and most carboxylic acid. Insoluble in water, acid and alkali in natural and hydrocarbons, nitrocarbons, alkyl halide, aryl halide, ester, ether, high molecular weight alcohol, aldehyde and ketones. So the group classification test are for the previously tested the top 10 possible to the functional groups percent is it's unknown compounds. So the results is the spectra will be available. So individual tests are the performed to identify and confirm the functional group percents. Okay students, so thank you.